What is up, guys? My name is Craze, and today is November 20th, 2025. Market's looking really good. Nice bounce back up, about 2.5% up for the day. That's one reason, and there's one reason only. Nvidia crushed its earnings, and the Q4 guidance, they raised it as well. So they're basically saying AI demand is super strong. They're not really. Jensen just said he's not really seeing an AI bubble that a lot of analysts are thinking that there's an AI bubble coming up soon. So, I mean, let's see what's going on. I think there might be a slowdown, but Jensen is saying, who is the CEO of Nvidia, he's saying there's strong demand in it for their chips and for AI, and they're looking at strong numbers in Q4 as well. So let's get into this trading day. All right, let's see what's going on here, guys. So we're about an hour in the trading day here. It's really just consolidating. We see a nice pop up pre-market because of Nvidia's crushing numbers. Nvidia reported their numbers yesterday after the market closed. So that's why you see the huge move up after market. Some of these support and resistance lines here. Just trying to see if we see any targets. All right, that's one. That's two. These two are the targets we're spotting. So if this is a continuation, it should pop up. But if it does come down, we're looking at these two here, and then possibly bottom of this here. So let's see what's going on. It opened, consolidated from here to here. I just want to see how big
order submitted
moves are. Looking at 100 tick moves. Jeez, holy crap. Oh, we got 400 tick. Volume and volatility are really high for this morning. We do see a downfall. It's going to be almost a 400 tick downfall.
Order canceled.
It has gone up, came big time down in one candlestick. Now it's shooting back up here. 10-day is still over the 20-day, so we should be going long. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna buy at the top of the box here. I'm gonna see if I can wait it out, see if it comes down. Let's look at some of our tech trades here. All right, so currently Nasdaq is up 2.4%, Dow Jones 1.5%, S&P nearly 2% high. Apple's up 2%, Google's up 4%. Wow. Meta's up 2%, really good. Amazon's up 2%, Tesla's up 6%. Holy shit. I think that's widely due to there's a new city that has accepted robo taxis right now. So investors are really optimistic about what's going on in Tesla. We don't know. Let's see. I personally don't think Tesla is ready for automated robo taxis still. I think the technology is still not ready, but let's see. I mean, we've had these pops in the past too, where it pops up because of optimism, and then Tesla does not deliver. It's always been like that. He sets high expectations, but he under delivers. He's been pushing back a lot of his delivery dates for the technology that he has said. So let's see what happens. I'm not a really big fan of the new Teslas that he came out with that are budget Teslas. He's taken out a lot of things that are kind of deal breakers for me. So I do understand people still buying them, but you can buy a better equipped car like a Mercedes or a BMW or other branded cars with more technology inside it. I mean, better upgrades, not technology, better upgrades inside the car for the same price. All right, this is coming down.
Order submitted.
Let's see if we can find an opportunity here. I think this is gonna stay up for sure. We're just looking for an opportunity for it to come down so we can pick up some trades here. We're gonna be sticking to a long. We're not gonna be shorting this market just because it is a strong day up here. So then again, I mean, it can still come down. So we don't know exactly what's gonna happen midday, but for now it's going up. Bitcoin at 90,000. I added some shares when it bottomed yesterday. Yeah, I bottomed yesterday around like 88,000. Oh wait, 89,000. So I added to my portfolio at that time. Every time this market comes down, I'm adding. So let's see what happens. I'm really optimistic about Bitcoin. and Ethereum. I don't know about any other coins. All other coins I think are just garbage. There's no underlying value. Okay, so there was an analyst that told us at the beginning of this week that he sees the bottom of this market towards the end of this week or midweek. So let's see if he really called that shot here. So if this is the bottom of this week, we should see an end of the year rally. So let's see if this market, so if you can, okay, I'm gonna look at this right. I'm gonna show you guys right here. Okay, so you see this right here, right? We're quite down. We're quite down. Okay. So he sees the end of the year rally. So if we bottomed, so this is yesterday, right? These two candlesticks are from yesterday. Let me just, there you go. I'm gonna zoom in here. So these two candlesticks are yesterday. This is today. You see the huge pop up. So he predicted that the market's gonna bottom out towards someday this week or end of this week, and we're gonna see a rally. So if this continues, we're gonna be taking longs all day, and we're gonna be moving up towards the highs for end of the year rally. So let's see if that happens. Oh, look at this. Should have taken it. Should have taken it. Nice 170 tick profit right there. It's too late. Can't take it now. The setup is not right for us, so we gotta wait. Ooh, it's coming down a lot.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take this here, okay? Because we're still looking at market that's coming up. I'm gonna make this a zero sum game here. It gives me break even. I'll take the break even.
Filled.
All right, take my stop loss. I wasn't gonna risk taking more on the downside. Let's see, we're still going up.
Order submitted.
We're still going up. We still got good volume, so it's not bad here. Okay, let it come down. It needs to come down more. We gotta let it come down more. I'm gonna pull up my Fibonacci here. Okay. Right here is an entry point. Here is an entry point. Here is an entry point for sure.
Order
so
filled.
We're gonna take one here. Okay. We're gonna add another one. Bottom here.
Order submitted.
If it does come in towards this area here, I am gonna move my stop loss. This is
Order
relevant.
canceled. Stop filled.
All right. I think it's gonna come down more. My stop loss.
Order submitted.
Just gotta wait. It's pulling back. So see, it's a 50 right there. It should come down one more time, and when it does, we'll get back in. Strong momentum, trend is up. You gotta take these pullbacks that are coming down like this. Unless it gives you one that's like this. It's gonna wipe you out right there. But no, I think I got good confidence in this. This is going up. Be a nice pullback down. Come on. Let's make this a quick day. Let's make this a fast day. In and out. Markets up. Should be an easy day. We gotta find the right price target to get in, take a long, get out, we're done. Exactly. Told you. I should have held on to it. It's okay. It's alright. Opportunities will come again. It's the market. There's always opportunities in the market. And if there's none today, there's gonna be more tomorrow. So sometimes you gotta call it a day. You'd rather have a 0 day than a negative day. So never chase, always look for good entries. Hold on guys, I think this is coming back big time. There's gonna be more momentum here. I'm looking at an entry down here. Okay, I'm gonna still, let's take this one, okay? We're willing to take on some losses here, okay? So just bear with me here. We're willing to take on a bigger loss. Here, we're not going for the 200, we're only going for the 100 pip or ticker. We will be averaging if it goes up. If it goes up, we're not averaging if this comes down. So this is kind of supposed to be like this, okay? I'll average if it continues up. If it doesn't, that's fine. Let's take a 50. All right, I think we'll definitely hit a 50 here. You know what? I do want to break this, put this back up here. I don't want to take a loss. So
Order canceled.
alright. That's fine. We're not taking a loss here. I think it's coming down more. So let it come down more. Let it come down more. There he goes. Come on. Come on. It needs to touch this here. I'm gonna put this here.
Order filled.
Okay. Alright, alright. Not bad. Not bad. We're looking at a 100 ticker on the upside. Let's see if this continues down. It's fine. We're gonna have to cut our losses here. Let's see what's going on. I don't think it's gonna stay down for too long. There, it will bounce up. We might see a few candlesticks on the downside, but it should bounce up eventually. Just like this pattern right here. You see, right around 9:15, market came down for 10 minutes, and then it bounced back up. So, okay, let's play it safe. I'm gonna get out if it pulls back up here. We don't want to hold it anymore if it comes down. I think it's gonna come all the way down to here. I got a feeling it will. That's already a 50 right there. And if this market goes past this 50% marker, then it's definitely a trend change. So we'll definitely see market come down more, even towards the lows here. And then it's not worth holding. Oh, hold on. Let's see if we see a nice pullback here. Get out. And I don't think it wants to pull back. We're gonna have to take this stop here.
Target filled.
I'm gonna take it. Okay.
Order submitted.
And we're gonna be going short with this trend here. But hold on. Let's see. Let's see if it pops up even higher. I'm trying to see if the green pops up any higher. Otherwise, I do think it's going to keep continuing down.
Order filled.
All right, let's take this here. Should be a trend change because it went past the 50% marker here. Should have gotten in a little bit on that pullback, but it's fine. Let's see. We should make it. We should make up for it. This is coming down for sure. Okay. I'm gonna leave my marker there. Don't want to take a loss. Hold on. We're gonna have to take a small profit here. Just because I don't know if it's gonna continue. Alright, let's at least get the break even. Alright, I don't wanna have a losing day. Let's see what we can make out of this. Alright, it's at the 61. Look at that. See, it's coming down. It's coming down big time.
Order submitted.
It's coming down big time. It's a good thing we got out here. I want to keep holding this trend that's coming down. I do think it's gonna give it a nice. I do think it's gonna give a nice pull back up.
Order filled.
So we're taking another risk here. Taking a long trade. Market should rally or end towards the high. Okay, we're still coming up to midday here. So there we go. Pull back, nice pull back up. I don't want to move my stop loss towards break even because I think it's volatile enough that it will exactly hit it and then it's gonna pop up. It's gonna hit it, they pop up again. So we gotta just wait it out. All right, got 20 seconds on the clock here. The next 50 it gives me, we're out. Okay, so ooh, it's coming down. It's hard to time these guys. It's hard to time this. I think I should have definitely moved that stop loss up and let this come down. But you see where I definitely predicted where this market is a market change. Once the market crosses the 50% marker here on this Fibonacci retracement, most of the time it is a market change, trend change. That's exactly what happened here. It hit that marker, and you guys are clearly seeing that it's changing. So that's where that comes from. I'll make a whole video on Fibonacci retracement and how we use this. It's a really helpful tool. Hopefully this market doesn't come down. Keep coming down. I want a nice pullback, and then we're getting out. We're gonna stop our. Hey, if we have to take a loss, we have to take a loss for the day. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. I think this steam is gonna, the whole market coming up, it's wearing off. That's what's happening. It's wearing off. We got a nice double top here. Market's wearing off. I think we're gonna start coming down to the bottom. Again, like most analysts are predicting, we're gonna go back up to the highs. I don't think so. I think we're gonna end at maybe break even for the year, this market, or toward, I think it's gonna be a bear. Because yeah, we do have a lot of, hold on. All right, we're gonna get out here. All right.
Target filled.
Let's get out. Okay.
Order submitted.
We want to go down with this market. All right, my bad. Just had to cut off. Okay. But what happened is, we're down. We're taking a short. We're taking a short here, guys. Okay. We're gonna hold on to this and see. We're basically gonna hold on to this. It's gonna come down further. I think it's gonna come down further. So we're gonna hold on to this. Come on. Come on, let's go. I'm gonna take that 120.
Target filled.
There we go. There we go. Woo! That was good. Keeps you on the edge of your seat, man. That's what I love about trading. That's what I love about trading. That was exhausting. We got through it. I think I'm gonna call it a day. So let's call it a day. It's coming up close to 10 o'clock. I got some things to do here, so. Wow. Holy shit. Should have held on to it. I should have held on to it. Alright, so it's pulling back big time here. Okay. Trying to see if should have held on to
Order
it.
submitted.
I should have held on to it. That's 200 ticks. God, that's 300 ticks I would have made. Oh God. But it's a good thing we got out. We were long, but it's a good thing we got out. That Fibonacci retracement really helped us. So that's why we use it. Wow, this market's just really falling.
Order canceled.
Let's see if we can pick a pullback. Okay.
Order submitted.
It should give a nice pullback because it is just cradling down here. I mean, let's look at the market. Market was up 2.5%. Nasdaq is down 1.7%. So close to, yeah, it's coming close to almost 1%, just falling. We're gonna be going with this trend
Order
here.
submitted.
Look at this. Even if it gives a nice pullback up, we're going down with this trend here. Okay, it's pulling back. It's pulling back. Nice. It's pulling back. It's pulling back. Come on, it's pulling back. I wanted to give it a green pullback here. Give me a green candlestick. Give me a nice pullback up, and then we're gonna short it. Price entry needs to be in the right spot. So let's give me a nice pullback. I think this candlestick's gonna hit green. This will be my last trade, then we're calling it a day here. So let's go. Come on. There we go. Nice pullback.
Order
We're
filled.
gonna take our first trade here. Okay, we're gonna add one
Order
more.
submitted.
This is definitely worthy of adding to, okay, on the way down. So even if it comes back up here we're adding. We're gonna be averaging up here. You guys might see an average up first time here with me. Usually I just take a one lot trade, but you'll definitely see me averaging up here if this comes up. We're looking for a 200 ticker right there. I think it's gonna come down more. So let's see. I'm optimistic because it's very trend heavy. It has a nice strength and momentum that gives us the extra boost in confidence. See, we're already 90 ticks in. There we go. Come on, it's gonna cradle more. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. We're gonna take this here, bottom. I just need 70 more ticks, come on. It's gonna cradle, I'm telling you it's gonna cradle. We're gonna take the 120 if it comes. Yep, up, 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 up. Yep, 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 yep. Ah, fuck, 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 fuck. All right, hold on. I'm gonna move break even here. It's gonna come up. I mean, I'm just gonna, it's gonna come down. It's gonna come down. Come on. There we go, there we go, there we go, there we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. That was 120 that we were looking for. All right, I'll take the 100. Just give me 100. We're out.
Order canceled.
All right, we're out. It's fine. I think it's gonna bounce up from here because it's not coming much down. It's not coming anymore. It's not coming further down. Oh, there it goes. All right, so our target's here, right here. This is our target. Market should hit this, which is
order
how
submitted.
Far? About 360 ticks from where it's at right now. I think so. I think so. Look at over here. Look at this big pullback. You see this? We were up in the highs here. It's huge, huge turn back down. We see more opportunities. That's why we're gonna be sticking to this here. We're gonna be waiting. We see a nice pullback. We're going down. We're gonna be shorting it. 20-day moving average has crossed over the 10-day moving average, signaling the short trend here. Got out here. It's fine. Let's see.
Order submitted.
I'm seeing if this comes back up. God, my exit was here and it's 200 ticks further down. That pullback did give me a reason to take our profit, okay? Because that pullback, it was strong. It went almost halfway and it came back down obviously again, but it was pulling back. So I was like, you know what? If that candlestick pulled back, I was like, let's just take the trade. Let's just take our profit. So totally fine. So we're getting closer and closer to the bottom here. Wow, we're only 200 ticks away now. Look at that. The only thing I'm worried about is if I take another short, it's the fucking pullback. So let's see if it does give me a nice pullback, and we're gonna short it one last time. But that pullback has to come up all the way to here for me to short it. We're waiting because there's opportunity here. If there wasn't, we would have called it a day, but there is an opportunity for us to get in. So let's wait it out. Ooh, it's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down. Wow, only 130 ticks. Told you that's our target. Look at that, wow. All right, so we're definitely going to hit this marker here.
Order filled.
Let's just take it. We're definitely gonna hit this marker here. Ooh, that's what I was afraid of. It might take a while, but let's see.
Order submitted.
You don't want to ever take a trade like I just did. You don't want to take it when it's kind of falling like that. You want to kind of wait for this pullback, right? And then if I would have taken an entry here, it would have made more sense because now I have that wiggle room of trying to see if I can take advantage of the pullback, because eventually, see, might come down like this. So that's fine. I'm just showing you some mistakes that we all make. It's all about how we handle this trade now. It should come down. If it doesn't, we're gonna average up because it should come down. It's definitely gonna hit this target here. So I actually just want to get out.
Order canceled.
Let's get out. Okay. Let's wait for the pullback.
Order submitted.
Okay, that was a beautiful pullback. For me, it's all about how we handle our trades and risk management. But there you go. There you go. It hit that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Wow.
Order canceled.
Beautiful. Basically, if you see this candlestick here, we're basically erasing all of our gains for today. Let's take a quick look at Nasdaq. You guys can get an idea of what happened. All right, Nasdaq is down to 1.25%. So we're basically erased everything from the open, and now it's all about pre-market. If we erase everything from where the market closed yesterday, which we should, then we are at break even. So the market closed right here. There you go. So now we are, for the day, we're break even, and we should be coming back down. Look at this. Whew, market's fucking crashing. Holy shit. Wow, okay, get rid of this Fibonacci. Should have held on to that short. Fine, let's see what's going on. I'm gonna open up CNBC. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? This rally was all because of Nvidia's earnings, and now the market's just cooling off basically. So yeah, everyone's like, yeah, Nvidia had great earnings, but are we gonna see a return on investment soon? I don't think so. We still see a lot of capital expenditure from all these big companies, and so that's why in the short term here, everything is gonna eventually come down a little bit and stabilize, because we've been high for too long, way too long. All right, it's a nice pullback.
Order submitted.
Almost 150 ticker pullback here. Okay, that's fine.
Order canceled.
We are going to take a short, okay?
Order submitted.
Okay, it's coming back up to here. Okay. I would not be taking a long. I'm telling you guys, this is not a trend that you want to be taking along and trying to catch that pullback up, because that pullback, most of these pullbacks are going to be temporary. I do see the market settling down on the lower side of the day now. I know I said higher side, but when the market was up here and it stayed up there, we would have definitely seen it stay on the higher side. But this is a big trend down. It's a big move that just happened. So we will see a continuation on the downside. We should not be taking any trades on the long side for now. Any pullback that we see is an opportunity to get in, and I just missed it because I was blabbing about this whole freaking pullback thing. All right, anyways, look at that. All right, missed opportunity because I was just talking and I wasn't paying attention to the opportunity that just came in. Market pullback 150 ticks. That was the perfect time to get in. I think this candlestick is going to come up to here, and then we're going to take a short. It should give a nice pop.
Order filled.
All right, we're going to average down here, and we're going to average up here. But let's see, I think the market falls more, so we're going to move our profit target to the bottom here. I said the market moves down more. I think we will see another 300 tick cradle. The downside. We got 3 minutes on the clock here for this candlestick. Make its move. I'm gonna take this 140, 150. Yeah, I'm gonna take it.
Target filled.
All right, beautiful. 1,700. Let's go, baby. Let's go. And there it cradles. Should have held on to it, but it's fine. Oh, there's so much opportunity right now. I can't keep waiting, but we can definitely see if we can see another opportunity here. Yeah, but there's so much opportunity. You see this straight downtrend. Easy. If anything, guys, if you see trends like this is where you should be taking advantage. It doesn't get easier than this. It's just a straight line down, and recognizing it, right? That, hey, there's a trend change. We use the Fibonacci retracement. Hey, it went past the 50% marker. Trend has changed. We got out. We were long at the top here, but we got out and recognized that, hey, let's take a short now, because we do see this market coming back down. If the market would have bounced back up from this here, then it's a straight consolidation pattern, and then we would have taken a long back here. But it broke below this consolidation box here, and went down more, and that's where we recognize, hey, the steam for the long has dwindled, and this market is cradling down. So that's where we saw opportunity. We did still think that the market could have bounced back up from here, because it has bounced back up in the past just like that. But after that, now you guys clearly saw our targets were here, and it easily blew past our target. Let's see if it gives a nice pullback. We're going to take one last
Order submitted.
position here on the short side. Ooh, come on. Yes, come on. All right, it's 130 ticker. I wanted to touch the top here.
Order filled.
All right, it's fine. Come on, this will be our last trade, and then we're done. We don't want to take a loss. So
Stop filled.
I'll take a stop, that's fine.
Order submitted.
If it's coming up more, let it come up more. Come on. Go, let's go. Come up to here at least. Another 100 ticker, come on. It should.
Order filled.
All right, let's get back in. Really came back down here, just like that. And it should do it again. Momentum is coming down big time, so all right, we're gonna take a 100 ticker here. If it does come down, we're calling it a day. It hit that point where I told you it will.
Order submitted.
We're gonna average up on this. If it comes up to 200 ticks or 300 ticks and 300 ticks, we're gonna average down. It's a long trading day, guys. Long trading day today. Positive again. Let's move this down. I think it's gonna come back down more. Should cradle. I'll take the third.
Order canceled.
There we go. Okay. All right, guys. We're done for the day. Awesome trading day. As you guys saw, really good trading day, but it was easy because of this beautiful trend that's coming down. Okay. So let's take a look at this recap here. All right. Look at this, guys. 507 tick profit. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. All right, gross 587. All right, our loss, we took an 81 tick loss. Not bad, guys. Good risk management. So that's what I'm talking about here. Total of 12 trades. Okay, 5 long, and you can see only 60% of those were winners. Probably because I think we were taking our lot. Cutting our trades here, and then as you can see, most of them were our short trades. 85% were winners. Only one of them we kind of took a loss because I think I was cutting our loss here because I thought it would come back a bit more, but it's fine, no biggie. Average trade 42 because there's a loss here, but our average short trade was 81, so not bad, guys. Average winning 65, average losing 27. Very good. Max consecutive winners 3, max consecutive winners 1. Largest winning trade 156. Average time in the market 1.66. All right, so very good, guys. Awesome day. Awesome day. I hope you guys learned something from my trades. Hope you guys learned how I take trades, how I manage risk. Awesome day. I think the market's gonna come down a little bit more and settle down. I think we're good for today. Leave a comment down if you wanted to learn about this. Look at the markets coming down. Holy shit. More opportunity, but we're gonna call it a day. 2,500 is really good for me. I might still continue trading after I end this video, but I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'll see you guys tomorrow or the next one. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn about or know about anything or have any questions. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna be posting more videos just like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.